Good day, class. Today I will discuss the Module 1, Week 1. Our lesson for today is about techniques in measuring and weighing ingredients used in baking. It is important to measure the ingredients accurately to get standard products and efficient use of materials. Standardized recipes. Standardized recipes provide a list and amounts of ingredients, yield, equipment needed, cooking time, cooking temperature, and sometimes the calorie count per serving. These recipes ensure the same result each time it is made. The opposite of the standardized recipe is an original recipe. Customary measuring units. The most commonly used system of measuring in the United States is based on standard or customary units of measurement, which would include volume, measures such as 1 ounces, teaspoons, tablespoons, cups, pints, and gallons. Here's the measuring tools. Measuring spoon sets used for liquid and dry ingredients usually include 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon. Measuring cup sets used for dry ingredients and solid pots usually include 1 cup, 1/2 cup, 1/3 cup, and 1/4 cup. And some sets may include a 2/3 and 3/4 cup measures. 1 cup, 2 cup, and 1/4 liquid cup measures are transparent and have space above the top measurement line. You can carry a full cup without spilling. Metric measuring units. Metric units of measurement are based on multiples of 10 and include milligrams, grams, kilograms, milliliters, and liters. As long as you have the correct measuring equipment, it's not necessary to convert measurement from one system to another. Here's a 1 cup all-purpose flour, 4 or 3 in 8 ounces, or 125 grams. Any measurement by weight, whether using customary or metric units, is more accurate than using measuring cups or spoons. How to measure? Lightly spoon dry ingredients into the measuring cup, mounding the top, do not shake, down, or pack. Using the flat side of a knife, a straight edge spatula level the ingredients since there is some degree of error with each measurement. Measure the fewest number of times possible. Brown sugar is the only dry ingredient that is packed into the measuring cup. Pack the sugar, level the top, and invert. If packed correctly, the dump sugar should maintain the shape of the measuring unit. How to measure? Pack spot into a dry measuring cup, level the top, and remove with a rubber spatula or use water displacement method to measure. Example, measure 1/2 cup of water into a liquid measuring cup. Add fat until the water level reaches the 1 cup mark. You have just measured 1/2 cup of fat. When using a scale to measure, place the bowl on the scale first. Reset the scale to 0 and then measure the ingredients. To measure liquids, set the cup measure in a level surface. Pour in the liquid to the right line and read it at the eye level. Food ingredients do not cause eye damage if splashed into the eyes. Here's the abbreviation. The use of abbreviations saves time and space when writing menus and cookbooks. Teaspoon equals TSP, T or TS. Tablespoon equals T or TBSP. Cup equals to CU or C. Pint is equals to PT. Quart equals QT, gallons equals gal or GEL, ounce is equals to OZ or oz, pounds is equals LB, calories equals to cal, package equals to kj, medium equals M, large equals LGE, small equals SM. Measuring equivalent. 1 pinch equals what you can hold between your thumb and your forefinger. Less than 1/8 teaspoon, a dash, a few grains. 3 teaspoon equals 1 tablespoon. 16 tablespoon equals 1 cup. 2 cups equals 1 pint. 2 pints equals to 1 quart. And 4 quarts equals to 1 gallon. 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup. 16 ounces equals 1 pound. Changing yield. Suppose you have a standardized recipe for chocolate chip cookies that yields 6 dozen cookies, but you only want to make a 3 dozen cookies. You can often adjust ingredients amount to change the yield. Read the amounts of ingredients carefully, as some recipes are not well suited for this. And those are the following ingredients of chocolate chip cookies. Just cut each of these recipe ingredients in half to decrease the yield. That's all for our Module 1, Week 1. If you have a question, do not hesitate to ask me through online. So good day and thank you.